Hi there, welcome back to our review for this day. We're going to review miscible and immiscible substances or solution. We have to describe and compare miscible from immiscible solutions. So first, let us determine the meaning or definition of solute and solvent. When we say solute, it means that it's the substance that's being dissolved by the solvent. And the solvent is the substance that dissolves the solute. They may be in solid, liquid, or gas. I have here examples of substances that may be dissolved in water. One is the rubbing alcohol, then the second one is the oil. So if I'm going to place the rubbing alcohol in water, do you think this rubbing alcohol will mix thoroughly or dissolve in water? If your answer is yes, then you are correct on that. What if I'm going to add this oil in water? What do you think will happen to the solution? Will the oil dissolve in water? If your answer is no, you are also correct because it has something to do with the nature of solute being placed to the solvent. So for all we know, rubbing alcohol will dissolve in water while oil is not. So in rubbing alcohol, we're going to produce a homogeneous substance and heterogeneous substance when it comes to oil added to the water. So from the liquids presented, those be considered miscible and immiscible solutions. So which one considered to be miscible? Is it the alcohol or oil added to the water? Which one is immiscible solutions among the two liquids? So let us define miscible solution. When we say miscible solution, it is formed when two soluble liquids dissolve each other. Remember, two soluble liquids dissolve each other. Alcohol and water are miscible to each other. Same with oil and gasoline. What about immiscible solution? It is formed when two liquids are insoluble to each other. They do not dissolve each other. Examples are oil placed to the water or gasoline placed to the water. They are immiscible solutions. So let us see if you can identify whether the substances or solutions are miscible or immiscible. Let's say water and oil. Very good. That is immiscible. What about alcohol and water? That's great. That is miscible. What about acetone and nail polish? That is immiscible. Gasoline and oil? They are miscible. And lastly, water and gasoline? They are immiscible. So let us take a look at the example if we're going to place oil in water, creating heterogeneous, the oil separated from the water. If you're going to place alcohol in water, look what will happen. It is thoroughly dissolved in water. So they are, or making the solution or substances miscible. Another example, the nail polish and the acetone, they are immiscible. As well as if you're going to add oil and gasoline, they are miscible to each other, soluble to each other. But when it comes to gas added to the water, they are completely immiscible. So I hope you learned something about miscible and immiscible solutions. So let's see on the other review of this science lesson. Goodbye and thank you.